Now I am reviewing the OnePlus 10 Pro. The display type of this smartphone LTP or AMOLED. The display color of this smartphone 1 billion color. Now I am telling about the refresh rate of the display of this smartphone 120 Hz HDR10 Plus. The display size of this smartphone 6.7 inch and the screen to body ratio of the display of this smartphone 90%. The resolution of the display of this smartphone 1440 by 3216 pixels. The PPI density of the display of this smartphone 525. The operating system of this smartphone Android 12.1 ColorOS 12.1. The chipset of this smartphone Qualcomm SM8450 Snapdragon 8th Generation 1 The CPU of this smartphone octa-core and the GPU of this smartphone Adreno 730. The memory of this smartphone card slot is not available in this smartphone. The internal memory are available are different type of this smartphone 128GB and 256GB and the RAM of also available are different type of this smartphone 8GB and 12GB UFS 3.1. Now I am telling about the main camera of this smartphone. The main camera are triple camera 48 megapixel wide camera, 8 megapixel telephoto camera and 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. The feature of the main camera of this smartphone Hasselblad color calibration, dual LED flash tone, flash HDR and panorama. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 8K into 30 fps, 4K into 30 60 120 fps, 1080p 30 60 240 fps auto HDR video EIS. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera 32 megapixel wide camera. The feature of the selfie camera of this smartphone auto HDR. Now I am telling about the video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 1080p into 30 fps video EIS. The sound of this smartphone low speaker is available with the stereo speaker and the 3.5mm jack is not available in this smartphone. Now I am telling about the Wi-Fi of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct hotspot. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.2 to DPLE. GPS is available, NFC is also available in this smartphone, but the FM radio is not available in this smartphone. The charging port USB of this smartphone USB Type-C 3.1 USB on the go. The battery type of this smartphone 5000 non-removable battery. Fast charging 80W. Fast wireless charging 50W. Reverse wireless charging and the USB power delivery available of this smartphone. The SIM of this smartphone are dual SIM, Nano-SIM and True Standby. The network technology are available, 5G technology are available in this smartphone. The line data of this smartphone was announced 11 January 2021. There are a different prices are available of this smartphone. Thanks for watching a video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.